28 of the 31 Day to Get Organised challenges. Now, behind this cupboard is the mystery that everyone has in their home, their plastic food storage containers. Now, I know we've done this challenge every year for 6 years, so don't tell me you're on top of it unless you can send me a photo to prove it. Otherwise, I want you to get in here and I want you to drag all of those plastic food storage containers, the takeout containers, the things without lids or bases, you know what I'm talking about. Spread them on the kitchen counter, click a couple of photos so we can see the horror that you're dealing with, or the beauty that is your kitchen, and really separate the ones you don't need, use or want. Put them back in the cupboard, cut them back to a reasonable amount and say, I have conquered my plastic food storage containers today. Yeah, we're going to beat you down. Let's see how you do.